All cars be advised, the suspect is walking in between cars in the parking lot. Units get ready to move in. The suspect is now south of the store, Homeland past that door of a red Charger. Check will find another as exception. He has now pulled out a backpack. Move in. All cars, suspect is in custody.
What if deputies could see the situation before they ever arrive on scene? Let's hear from Lieutenant Keaton with the Homeland Security Division to learn more about the SCSO drone program.
The Sheriff's Office first implemented using drones in 2019. It was part of the SWAT team to try and find better ways to enter and clear houses and to locate suspects to make it safer for everybody involved. Currently, we're using drones on a multitude of calls. The main focus on the drones for patrol, though, is to get an overview or an eyeball of what's happening on the scene, so that if they have somebody run, they can actually deploy the drone to locate that person, missing parties, anything along those lines. All of our drones are equipped with IR technology, which is infrared. It allows us to be able to see at night in different color palettes. It helps us to really make heat signatures stand out to identify potential people that we need to look for. The SWAT team is currently using the drone to get an overview eyeball of the situation that they're involved in, and then also they have drones that they can deploy inside of the houses so that they can clear the house with the drone as opposed to sending the officers through and endangering anybody's lives. The search and rescue team currently uses drones in an effort to check large areas in a short amount of time for missing people, subjects on the run, anything along that nature. PIO's office has been doing a great job using the drones, especially as of late. With the recent snow and ice that we've had, they were able to get out there and show people the actual road conditions throughout the county. So drones at special events has been pretty fantastic. It allows us to basically have a mobile camera in the air. So anytime we have something going on in an area that we don't have a camera in, we can immediately deploy a drone to that area and know what's going on. So at the current moment, we are toying with drone as first responder, which is where, as a 911 call comes in, a drone will actually be deployed to that location, most of the time beating the responding officers to that location to allow us to assess the situation and to make sure that the proper assets are being sent to that. Each one of our pilots have completed the FAA 107 licensing, which gives them commercial operations of a drone, and that is what we require all of our pilots to have. We also, after that, require them to complete a 1-week course where it is an exterior flight school that we host here at the Sheriff's Office. I mean, it's just, this unit is constantly emerging as technology continues to change. We're finding new ways to apply it.
Thank you, Lieutenant Keaton, for highlighting the critical role our drone program plays in modern-day law enforcement. From enhancing public safety to supporting our deputies in the field, this technology allows us to combat crime and to serve our community more effectively and efficiently.